Daniel Kahneman's Thinking, Fast and Slow is a seminal work that delves into the dual systems of thought that govern human decision-making. Drawing from decades of research in psychology and behavioral economics, Kahneman, a Nobel laureate, elucidates how our minds operate and how these operations influence our judgments and choices. Kahneman introduces two distinct systems that drive our thinking. This system operates automatically and quickly, with little or no effort and no sense of voluntary control. It's responsible for everyday tasks like recognizing faces, driving on an empty road, or understanding simple sentences. Dan Silvestre. This system allocates attention to the effortful mental activities that demand it, including complex computations, reasoning, and conscious decision-making. It's activated when we engage in tasks that require concentration, such as solving a difficult math problem or evaluating a complex argument. Anchoring effect, the tendency to rely heavily on the first piece of information encountered, the anchor, when making decisions. For example, if you're told that a product costs $1,000 and then see it on sale for $700, you perceive it as a good deal, even if $700 is still expensive. Availability heuristic, estimating the likelihood of events based on how easily examples come to mind. For instance, after seeing news reports about airplane crashes, you might overestimate the dangers of air travel. Substitution, when faced with a complex question, we often replace it with a simpler one without realizing it. For example, instead of evaluating a politician's policies, we might assess their likability. Illusion of understanding, believing we understand past events when, in reality, our interpretations are shaped by hindsight. Illusion of validity, overestimating the accuracy of our judgments, especially in areas where we have expertise. Planning fallacy, underestimating the time, costs, and risks of future actions while overestimating the benefits. Loss aversion, people tend to prefer avoiding losses over acquiring equivalent gains. Losing $100 feels more painful than the pleasure of gaining $100. Framing effect, decisions are influenced by how choices are presented. For example, people are more likely to opt for a surgery with a 90% survival rate than one with a 10% mortality rate, even though both statements convey the same information. Thinking, Fast and Slow offers profound insights into the mechanics of our minds, revealing the interplay between intuition and reasoning. By understanding these systems and their associated biases, we can make more informed decisions and better understand human behavior. Kahneman's work underscores the importance of self-awareness in our thinking processes and the need to question our intuitions, especially in complex situations.